Hi everyone and welcome. We have created one Python application to read data from OPC-DA server and to publish that data to MQTT broker. Okay, so let's see that application and let's see how it is going to be work. So here is my metric and OPC explorer, which is connected to metric and OPC simulation server. Okay, and it is reading this three data. You can see this three tag: random.integer1, random.integer2, and random.integer4. I want to read the same data in the Python and I want to publish the value to my MQTT broker, okay, which is a Mosquitto broker in my case. You can also have any MQTT broker and you can publish that data to cloud MQTT broker as well. Okay, so that is possible with the Python. So let's see our application and demo of that application. So here is our main Python script. Okay, what I have to do is I have to launch this Python script by using python main.py. So once you launch this Python script, you will have this kind of a window, okay, graphical user interface to interact with. Now here, whatever OPC server you have in your system, it will be listed out here. Okay, you have to select OPC server which you want to connect to. So I'm going to select the metric and OPC simulation server because I want to publish this tree tag to my MQTT broker. So I have to use metric and OPC simulation server and I have to press on connect. So once I press on the connect button, it will find or fetch the available tag inside this metric and OPC simulation server. Okay, you can see that here every tag is available here. Now we want to publish only three specific tag. We can also publish all tag, okay, there is no problem in it, but right now we have to publish this three tag: random, integer1, integer2, and integer4. Okay, once you have selected this tag, you have to provide the MQTT parameter like IP address, port number, and publishing interval. So IP address is your MQTT broker IP address. My Mosquitto broker is running in my local system, so I can provide my localhost IP address. If you want to check your Mosquitto broker is running or not, then you can go to services. You can search for Mosquitto and you can see Mosquitto broker is running. Okay, so my Mosquitto broker is running. I want to connect with my Mosquitto broker on the port number 1883 and I want to publish this three tag. Okay, sorry, we have selected the wrong tag. It's integer 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so I want to publish this three tag to my Mosquitto MQTT broker and I want to read that value in the MQTT Explorer. This is MQTT client software. Okay, yeah, let me adjust this. Okay, so we have to set this MQTT parameter and then we have to click on the start publishing. So it will read the data from this metric and OPC simulation server and it will publish the data to this MQTT broker, I mean Mosquitto MQTT broker, at interval of 10 seconds, and we can read the data in MQTT Explorer software. So let me connect to Mosquitto MQTT broker from this MQTT Explorer. Now once we have the data, you will see that data in the graph. Okay, so we can click on start publishing. Once you click on the start publishing, everything else will be grayed out because it will not allow anyone to change the setting again. Okay, and it will publish the data at interval of 10 seconds. You can see we have first data at 7:36:41 p.m. Okay, the next data will be at 7:36:51 p.m. You can see 7:36:51 and the next will be 7:37:01. Okay, so we have to wait for 10 seconds. Okay, so we have a new data. You can see here 7:37:01. So every 10 seconds it will publish the data to MQTT broker and we will have the data in any of our MQTT client. And in this case, your MQTT broker can be your cloud MQTT broker as well. So if you have purchased any services, cloud MQTT services, then you can also use the IP address and port number of that cloud MQTT broker. And if you have a username and password configure for your MQTT broker, then also we can add those things here. Okay, we can modify our Python script, we can add those things here, and then we can publish the data to respective MQTT broker, and we can have the data in respective MQTT client software. Okay, we can click on the stop publishing to stop the publishing of our data. We can copy the logs to clipboard. Okay, you can see copy logs to clipboard. I can open my notepad here Okay, you can see the logs are copied. I can clear the logs and I can also exit from system. Okay, if I want to again start publishing, then I can click on start publishing, and I can once my work is done, I can click on stop publishing. If you want to continuously run this, then you can also do this. Okay, so how you can run this? You just have to run your main.py file. Okay, so here is my main.py file. I can run like python main.py and it will be open. I can select my OPC server. I can click on connect, and whatever data I want to publish, I can select like this. Okay, it's a read error. Let me select random data. Okay. Yeah, we have selected so many data. Now I can provide the MQTT broker IP address and port number detail and the publishing interval, and I can click on start publishing. So it will going to publish my data at certain interval, and the interval rate is 10 seconds. So we have to wait for 10 seconds until we have the data here. Okay, you can see this much of data we have published from this software. Okay, Python script, or you can say Python GUI. Okay, so it will read all data at interval of 10 seconds, and it will publish your data at MQTT broker, and you will have that data in any of your MQTT client software. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you, and if you still have any question or concern related to this product, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. And if you want to buy this Python script, okay, if you want to buy this Python script, then the product link will be in the description of this video. Also, you will have a product link on the screen as well, and you can also visit our Shopify store to purchase this Python script. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, and in the next video, instead of this selection, okay, we are going to provide the CSV file, and we will select all tag from that CSV file, and then we are going to publish the data. So this is the second version, or we can say another version of this OPC-DA to MQTT publisher. Okay, so I'm going to stop the publishing now. We will close this application. We will close the MQTT Explorer here, and we will also close the command prompt. And we will meet you in the next video with another version of this product. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.